Welcome to Trade Traction, the podcast that helps plumbing and heating contractors stop working for free and actually turn a profit. I'm Dennis the Apprentice on most socials. And if you're a contractor who's tired of scrapping for payroll, tired of doing a hero's work for pennies, tired of wondering why the business part feels 10 times harder than the work itself, then this channel is built for you. I spent 25 years running a residential plumbing and heating service company in Seattle, Gene Johnson Plumbing and Heating. My sister-in-law, Kimberly, and I grew to 12 million and eventually sold to private equity. A dream ending, but the first 15 years felt like a nightmare. We survived the 2008 crash. We survived terrible decisions, razor-thin margins, sleepless nights, and weeks where everybody got paid except us. I remember pretending everything was fine while wondering how we were going to make payroll on Friday. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone, and you're exactly who we're here to help. What finally changed for us wasn't a magic bullet. There is no magic bullet. A mentor told us, one thing won't make you successful. Doing enough things right will. And he was so right. We fixed our business piece by piece. Pricing, presentation, reviews, hiring, training, org charts, systems, culture, and one day it clicked. We went from barely surviving to telling new hires, welcome to the rocket ship. It almost seemed like it was overnight. Now I want you to skip the years of pain and get to the rocket ship part a whole lot sooner. Every week on this channel, you'll get hard-earned lessons from the trenches, practical steps to increase profit today, stories from trade shows and top contractors around the country, real talk from someone who's lived it. The trades are full of incredible people doing incredible things, and you deserve to be one of them. You know, if you're done working for free, if you're ready for a business you can trust, if you want more money, more control, and more freedom, hit subscribe. This is where the turnaround starts. Welcome to Trade Traction, where contractors stop working for free and build a company they can be proud of.